Hi, I'm John from the DJI Enterprise team, and I'm excited to introduce our new generation of payloads. Meet the Zenmuse H30 series. Designed for unparalleled vision, day or night. Our thrive for continuous innovation brings us to this moment. H30 series brings the best of its predecessors and more. So let's dive in what makes the H30 series a game changer. This all-purpose flagship payloads comes in two versions, the H30 and the H30T. It integrates 5 major models: a zoom camera, an infrared thermal camera, a new laser rangefinder, the wide-angle camera, and our brand new NIR auxiliary light. Rated with an IP54 ingress protection, the H30 series is as equipped to endure the harsh environments just as good as compatible aircrafts. The zoom ability has also been significantly improved, featuring a high-resolution 40-megapixel zoom camera with a 34 times optical zoom and an incredible 400 times digital zoom. Compared to its previous generation, the H30 series offers superb image quality from further distances. Here's an example of the visibility you get of an object details even from 2,000 meters away. This results in an improved overall operational efficiency and situational awareness. Similarly, the wide-angle camera has been improved to 48 megapixels, 4 times more pixels than the H20 series. Brings us higher data quality for photo capture and video recording. When talking about the laser rangefinder, the measurement distance is more than double compared to its predecessor. Now, we can pinpoint from a distance of up to 3,000 meters away. Now, let's talk about the thermal sensor improvement. We have increased the resolution to 1280 by 1024, making the thermal resolution of the H30T 4 times higher than the one on the H20T. So you may ask, what about the night vision capabilities? As the slogan states, the H30 series provides unparalleled vision day or night. So let's talk about the payload's night performance. We designed the night scene mode especially to improve the image quality and provide clarity when operating under dark light conditions. You can turn off the IR light to get a full color night vision or turn it on to get a black and white vision. In the both mentioned situations, we're still depending on having a little source of visible light in the environment to get an image such as moonlight or low light condition. But you may ask, what if I need to operate in extremely dark environment? For pitch dark situations, we're introducing the new infrared auxiliary light. This light can illuminate the camera view, but it's not visible by human eyes, making it especially helpful for discrete mission. Once turned on, the camera view will switch to black and white mode simultaneously, and the auxiliary light will provide additional illumination to the zoom camera view. Now let's talk about the electronic dehazing. Now, the H30 series is equipped with electronic dehazing. It enhances visibility in misty conditions and improves significantly the operational efficiency and safety. Now, let's talk about the image stabilization algorithm feature. This allows presenting an optimized video quality when performing precise inspections. For example, power line inspections, when strong winds blow through the power pylons, the inspection targets, such as connections or insulators, will shake, potentially affecting the image capture. Using AI algorithm, these features will identify the observed objects and keep them in the center of the screen, allowing to complete inspection missions more efficiently and accurately. H30 series, breaking boundaries day or night.